Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 2000/2001 Dizzy the Dalmatian plush. Now, last year, or 2 years ago, I did a review on the crazy, multicolored one of this Dalmatian dog. And I think I remember, I told you guys there was one like this with different colored with like purple and blue spots and black ears, and that one I reviewed, and this one I'm going to review right now. So yeah, so there's three different kinds of this plush right here. Yep, pretty nice. And without further ado, let's get into the review. Pretty nice. Here's its tag. There's the back of it. There's the red collar. Pretty sweet collar. There's the spots. There's the eyes and the nose. There's the mouth. There's the spots, the black ears. Here's its tush tag, Dizzy 2001, right on the tag, and it says, and let me just set down the camera, let me show you the tag date, and the tag says, Dizzy, date of birth, October 7th, 2000. Now the day is, hold on. Now here's the poem. Black and white is just a boring. It's just boring. I can't stand it anymore. Purple, green, or maybe blue. I think I'll see what I can do. So yeah, apparently the tag is it's like the same poem as the other one they did 2 years ago. So yeah, so that's really cool. It's the same poem as the one I did 2 years ago. Had the exact same poem as this one right here. So that is really cool. I mean, that is so awesome. So yeah, let's finish the review. Alright, pretty nice, pretty sweet. He kind of looks like Lucky from 101 Dalmatians. This one right here does. It's really cool. And this one was born the same year when the 102 Dalmatians came out. So yeah, the year 2000 was the year 102 Dalmatians came out. Yeah. Anyways, here we go. He actually stands on his own. Oh. Yep, he does stand on his own. Pretty nice. His collar is backwards. What in the world? There, I fixed it. There, I fixed it. That's much better. Yeah, that's better. There we go. That is better. Yep, pretty nice. Pretty cool Dalmatian dog. Here he is like this. And in the back. And like this. Let me just set down the camera. Let me stand him up. All right. Come on, stand up. There we go. Nice. Here he is standing up. Pretty nice. Pretty sweet. Here he is like this. And like this, standing up. And the front. Look at that. That is whoosh, that is so legendary. Look at that. Pretty sweet looking. Anyways, yep. Very nice black black and white colors. Very nice. There's the paws underneath. Pretty nice paws. Let me show you it down. Very cool detailing in this. Here's the tag again. Like we just said before, 2001. Right there, where my thumb's at, it says 2001. So, yeah, 2001 was some time ago now, guys. Yep, I believe 2001 was some time ago. So, yep, anyways, pretty nice. And that's it. Alright, guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 2000/2001 Dizzy the Black and White Dalmatian Dog Plush. Alright, guys, bye.